everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to reactivate your Facebook account. So to begin the process, open the Facebook application. Now once you have deactivated your account, you need to just log in into your account with the account credential and you will be logged in, or you will be actively reactivating your Facebook account. If you have chosen the days or the number of period of time to reactivate itself on Facebook, it will be reactivated on your own. If not, you just have to provide your account details. Type in your email address, type in your password, and then tap on login. This will just get you logged in into your account of Facebook, which is you actually reactivating your Facebook account. So this is how you can reactivate Facebook account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.